Hi, this is Trade to Success University, and in this video I'm going to be covering where to open a broker account. Now you already know what a broker account is from Module 1, but I have left it until now to show you where to open one simply because the broker doesn't have anything to do with your strategy. It is the strategy that makes you money in the market. The broker simply executes those trades that you want done. It's the strategy that you need to learn and practice. Granted, you do have to learn how to put orders through the broker, but once you learn this, they are all pretty much the same. I'll show you how to put on the different orders in the next few videos, but for now we just want to open a broker account. So here we are on the home page. All we need to do is scroll down on the left. Under the resources section there's trading resources. If you just click on that, you'll come through to this page. And now on this page we have an FX broker section. Now we've got a few brokers here, and this is by no means a recommendation. There are many brokers out there. What you can do is you can research on your own needs. Maybe you want to open up a micro account, a mini account, or a standard account. Whatever you want to open, you can check out their spreads, you can check out who they cater to, you can check out if they have any special offers. So there are many brokers out there that may be a lot more attractive to you than others. So the best thing to do is maybe go through one of the info sites, something like maybe FX Street. They have a whole broker section where they compare many brokers. You can go there, you can compare brokers, you can research on the brokers, you can even open up demo accounts of all the brokers just to see which platform you prefer. And then all you need to do is just open up a demo account, and you can always upgrade that to a real account later on. So the first thing you really want to do here is try and open up the demo accounts of all of the brokers and see which one you prefer. See if they cater for your needs. Maybe you want to open up a very small account. Some brokers allow you to open up an account for as small as $25. Some have a minimum of $250. And some maybe have a minimum of $1,000 or $2,000. So according to that, you can research on the different brokers out there and you can open up an account accordingly. Now remember, it's free to open up a demo account for all the brokers, so by all means open up a demo account and check out their platforms. So for example, you can just click on the first one here is FXCM. And you come through to this page. And then what you can do is you can click on live chat and you can talk to them about any questions you have. Or you can go ahead and just click on this free FXCM practice account and go ahead and open up a free practice demo account. Okay, so once you've opened up your practice account, please go on to the next page where we'll talk about understanding spread. In the exercises section, I'm going to talk you through exactly how to open up the broker account if you need guidance. So you can always go through to the exercise section and watch me walk through opening up a broker account. This is Kumar for Trade to Success University, and I'll see you in the next video.